Good evening. I'm Sridhar here. Sometime back, people have registered using my link, one of the links. So let me show you which link you have signed up. Yeah, this is the one which you have all signed up. Okay. Remax opportunity to earn up to 50 lakhs per annum. And I have also given you a video here where you have gone through and then filled up this form and submitted. Okay. So some of you have asked me a question as to, sir, abhi next kya karna hai? Okay. So all that I've seen the advertisements and I've seen the video of yours, and then now what should I do? This is the question that they have asked. So for them, this is the answer that I'm going to give you. What you can do now is to associate with Remax. You know now that you can become a digital real estate person. Okay. If you're sitting in some part of the country today, even if it is a small place, right? Don't worry. You can do business all over the country. All over the world also is possible because Remax is associated with close to around 8,000 offices, 1,35,000 agents all across the world. Now, for example, I'll give you one example. Now, let's say you are in some place called Akkalkot. Okay. I've not heard of this name, but today somebody registered and said that he is from that particular city. Right? He's sitting there, and it's a small village of about, let's say, not small village, it's a town. It's a town where internet connectivity and all is there. That's good enough. Close to around 4-5 lakhs of population is there. And he's there with no scope of growing too much in that particular city. Now, what he can do, he can associate with us. Okay. And from there, if he wants to do business in Bangalore, he can do. How is it possible? Now, I'm sitting in Bangalore. Okay. I'm sitting in Bangalore and I can do business in Calcutta. Let me tell you how. Let's say that there is a project in Calcutta which is ready to move and which is, which is being sold at some good pricing and good offer is there. Okay. Now, if such an offer comes in, then I grab that kind of an opportunity, and wherever that business is there, we don't mind. Okay. Now, what I'll do, we need registrations or leads for that, right? Customers for that. You have a project, you have a property to sell, and you need customers to buy. So finding customers is possible online. Okay. There is a technique to find out which customer, how he will be interested and all that. Okay. So that kind of technique I'm going to teach. I've already learned that, and I can get customers from Calcutta who are interested to buy that property, but I'm sitting in Bangalore. Now what next will happen? This customer wants to visit the property. Now I'm here. How will I show him the property? Now that's a there is a it is possible is what I'm trying to say. Now how? The developer has got a sales team with whom we coordinate. We exchange through WhatsApp, we exchange through phone calls, Zoom meetings, and all that we do, and then tell them that so and so customer is interested in coming and visiting the property. Kindly show him this property. So what he will do, the sales team will be interested in converting that because they want sales. They will do that. And once the sale happens, our brokerage is being paid because I sent the customer to him. Similarly, when you're sitting there in your location, you can find a customer for a Bangalore property. You can find a customer for a Bombay property. You can find a customer for Delhi property. You can find a customer anywhere in this world. Okay, you need to find customers in that particular location. Getting that also is not a problem. There is a project in Delhi, Noida, World Trade Center project. Okay, very good returns they are giving, close to around 1% per month on an investment of about 21 lakhs. Right? We are in Bangalore. We are doing amazing business for that. We have been sending customers, we have been sending investors for that, and there is a lot of coordination happening between Delhi representative and us, and then customers are visiting, going, coming, and all that. All this is happening. So the same way you can do business. So what you should do now is you should join. So अभी करना क्या है? Okay, sir, I am ready to join. If you say ready to join, मतलब then you tell me, sir, I am interested in joining. Then I'll send you an application form. An application form where you have to fill up your name, data, and all those things, and then your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, other details you have to send. And there is a joining fee. Joining fee of about 17,700 rupees. Okay, this offer is valid only for some time. Normally, the license fee is close to around 25,000 rupees, and you invest this money and join with us. Now, after joining, what happens? You are there, I am here. So, how are we going to conduct programs? Right? Don't worry, I'll show you how we conduct programs. Okay, see, this is mentorship program 26th June. आज क्या तारीख है? Today is 28th. 2 days before we do this. I do this program, this kind of program with all the people who are associated with us from all over the country every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, how it happens? You see here. See, I have
only after reaching the office I start these activities.
To-do list also you do at 9:31. See here, this person is from Goa.
That
this person is
mention it, I think.
This person is from Goa.
As far as the morning routine is concerned, I didn't hear him mention the goal writing.
This person is from Goa again.
Microsoft To Do. I have not heard him.
No, he said that. He
said it. Okay.
Yeah, he's also from Goa.
If he's doing that, then it's good. But as far as his comment discussion, what he had, he's finished his day at 4:35, which shouldn't have been. Once he reached home, his actual groundwork starts of preparing for the.
This person is from Nasik.
By yourself. This is the message.
He is from Nasik. Okay. So like this, I do this program every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for next 1 year. What is this program? To make you earn minimum of 10 lakhs and a maximum of 50 lakhs. This is the kind of money that you're going to earn in the next 1 year's time. Okay. You see here, 26th is June, 27th June, that is yesterday, 20th, 24th June, okay. Then 22nd June, 17th June. देख रहे हैं आप? Okay. He is from Bombay. This guy is from Bombay. This person is from, Hyderabad. This person is from Ahmedabad. Okay. So no, just nothing much. You just see what he is saying.
Good noon, Sridhar sir. मैंने अभी आपका लेवल 1 ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम सिलेक्ट किया है और मैं ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ आपके साथ. ये कोर्स सिलेक्ट करने की मेन वजह है 12, 13 और 14 का अपना जो सेशन हुआ उसका जो ट्रेनिंग कंटेंट है वो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. कंटेंट काफ़ी एजुकेटिंग था. इंस्पायरेबल भी था और एंटरटेनिंग भी लगा मुझे, तो मैं आपसे जुड़ने की मेरी इच्छा थी। और आपसे जुड़ के मैं हाउ टू फाइंड टारगेट कस्टमर फॉर सुटेबल प्रॉपर्टी, ये मेरा मेन एम है। अभी मैं आपसे पहले यही सीखना चाहूँगा। थैंक यू सर।
ठीक है, ऐसे then I got innumerable of people who have said all these things. Okay, see here, this man.
Goa. For last 30 years,
पहले से सुनिए।
stay myself Sudesh Kavlekar and I am from Ponda, Goa. For last 30 years, I am in the field of personal investment consultancy, giving consultancy products from insurance, mutual fund, health, etc. and after sales service, that is under one roof, everything of investment. I also started my real estate business from 2012 as a developer, broker, and investor. I always wanted to do this real estate business in a better way, and mainly after this pandemic era, and hence was in search of a mentor who can guide me in differently. I got Sridhar sir reference from social media and thereby decided to join his training of 5 days in May 2020. His confidence in delivering the subject in the workshop was marvelous. He said, if you do the same thing in the same way, you will get the same result. And hence, if you want the different result, you have to do the same thing in a different way. After his workshop, I understand that he has experience, skills, attitude, and knowledge of this field of very, very high class, which he can surely mentor others to make them highly successful. This inspired me to join his mentorship training, and hence I joined his mentorship training from May 11 to do the real estate business differently and achieve my goal and also help others to achieve their goals. As of today, we have learned many.
So ऐसे बहुत सारे टेस्टिमोनियल्स है मेरे पास, देख सकते हैं इधर वीडियोस के आते रहेंगे ये सब, right? So this is how it is. Okay. So now abhi point now is that how you can associate. I have told you that you should express interest that you would like to associate with me, WhatsApp me. Then I will send you application form, then bank account details, आपको पेमेंट करना है, then join with me. And अगर आपको लगता है कि 17,700 तो ये बड़ी रकम है, तो कैसे कर सकते हैं बिजनेस, ये सब देखे, अगर नहीं हुआ तो, अगर ऐसा कुछ डाउट है तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि सिस्टम, मेरा जो सिस्टम है, ये सिस्टम अगर फॉलो करने से आप फेल नहीं हो सकते हैं। आप तब फेल होंगे जब मेरा सिस्टम आप फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, तभी आप फेल हो सकते हैं। क्या है मेरा सिस्टम? शुरुआत में एक ही चीज मैं बताता हूँ। सिस्टम क्या है मेरा? सिस्टम ये है कि आज तक आपने कस्टमर को आपने कॉल करके, फोन करके बात कर रहे थे पहले अगर कोई लीड मिल गया, प्रॉपर्टी का लीड मिल गया, ओके, लीड मिलने से आपको इतना खुशी हो जाता है कि इमीडिएटली यू विल स्टार्ट कॉलिंग अप इमीडिएटली, है कि नहीं, राइट? मेरा जो सिस्टम है, मैं क्या बोलता हूँ कि वो लीड तो मिल गया लेकिन आपको कॉल नहीं करना है। जैसे अब आप कॉल करेंगे तो कस्टमर आपके ऊपर डिमांड करने लगेंगे, बोल सकते हैं कि मैं ब्रोकरेज नहीं दे सकता हूँ, इतना नहीं सकता हूँ, वो नहीं सकता हूँ, उनका रिक्वायरमेंट अलग होगा। अच्छा, आप कहाँ है, आपका प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, डिटेल्स बताइए, ये सब थोड़ा उसका बात करने का तरीका अलग हो जाता है। लेकिन अगर वो आपको कॉल करेंगे तो वही सवाल आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं। कैसे? सर आपका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, ठीक है, क्या बजट है आपका, कहाँ देखना चाहते हो, कैसे चाहिए आपको, तो ये सवाल आप पूछ सकते हैं। तो कब पूछ सकते हो? जब वो कॉल करेंगे। तो वो कॉल करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? वही मेरा सिस्टम, ये सिस्टम फॉलो करना पड़ेगा। वो सब मैं अगर बता देता हूँ अभी क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, कैसे चलेगा, कैसे आप प्रोग्राम प्रोग्राम में थोड़ा लर्निंग का जो तरीका है वो सब सीखना पड़ेगा। दैट इज वन। नंबर टू, सुबह 5:30 बजे मेरा प्रोग्राम शुरू होता है ऑनलाइन में। 5:30 बजे। सर मैं तो आई विल गेट अप ओनली एट अबाउट 8 o'clock, तो 5:30 क्यों करना है सर? इफ यू आस्क मी लाइक दैट, माई आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल। अगर आपको 50 लाख कमाना है, 25 लाख कमाना है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? सुबह 4 बजे क्यों नहीं उठेंगे आप? अगर कोई पैसा देता है, पैसा मिलेगा आपको, तो क्यों नहीं करेंगे आप? कर सकते हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ द सक्सेसफुल पीपल आर गेटिंग अप 4 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग। मोदी जी क्या कर रहे हैं? ठीक है, ही इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग अप एट 4 o'clock। अगर वो चाहते हैं तो ही कैन गेट अप एट 10 o'clock, isn't it? Nobody is going to ask him any question, but still he does. Why? देश के लिए करता है वो। So he despite being number one position in the country, he still wakes up at 4 o'clock. All the businessmen you see, Mukesh Ambani, okay, Mittal, जो भी है, you can see the successful people, what is their lifestyle, including Shah Rukh Khan, or celebrities, Virat Kohli, or Rahul Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar. You see their kind of lifestyle, how they have been successful. Do you think they have all been getting up at 10 o'clock and 12 o'clock and something like that? They used to work close to around 18 hours a day. Only 6 घंटे सोते थे। Okay, 6 घंटे सोना अच्छी बात नहीं है, 8 घंटे का सोना चाहिए। बट अगर आपको सक्सेस देखना है तो शुरुआत में ये तकलीफ लेना। ओके, ये सब सिस्टम्स में आपको सिखाऊंगा। ओके, एंड आई विल मेक यू सक्सेसफुल सो लॉन्ग एज यू फॉलो माई सिस्टम्स। ठीक है, मुझे आज एक मैसेज मिला, चाय का दुकान खोलना है। ओके, जस्ट दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको। ही वांट्स टू ओपन, ऑफर है, वो बहुत बड़ा ऑफर है। क्या है ऑफर? मैसेज, हाँ यस, यहाँ, हाँ देखिए, एक्सपैंड कर सकता हूँ इसको। पढ़िए इधर, स्टार्ट योर ओन टी कैफे बिजनेस, पार्टनर विथ बी ऑन टी, a tea brand with liquid tea concentrate concept, investment starting ₹8 lakhs, कॉल ए नंबर है। आप कॉल करके पूछिए, ये नंबर नोट कर लीजिए आप। ओके, कॉल करके पूछिए, ही विल से 8 lakhs इन्वेस्टमेंट है। क्या गारंटी है बिजनेस का? आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट 8 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए, फिर उसके बाद आपको दुकान रखना चाहिए, उसके लिए खर्चा करना पड़ेगा, राइट? ऑल दैट करना पड़ेगा चाय का दुकान के लिए। यहाँ रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस, चाय का दुकान कितना होता है? ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितना हो सकता है वो? ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितना हो सकता है? 100 रुपए का होगा चाय, उससे ज्यादा नहीं तो नहीं होगा, राइट? बट what big money you can earn in that टी का दुकान में। बट यहाँ रियल एस्टेट में एक डील करो, आपको 2-3 लाख मिलने का चांसेस है कि नहीं? तो अगर वो मिलना है तो अच्छी ट्रेनिंग होना चाहिए। डॉक्टर लोग कम कमाते हैं, कितने पैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं? दे इन्वेस्ट क्लोज टू अराउंड 30-40 lakhs। 5 साल का स्टडी करते हैं, उसके बाद 2-3 साल किसी के अंडर काम करके उसके बाद खुद का क्लिनिक ओपन करते हैं। 8-10 साल के बाद क्लिनिक ओपन करते हैं, उसके बाद लाखों का कमाई वो देखते हैं। ठीक है, आपको रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री में 17,700 रुपये इन्वेस्ट करना आपको बड़ी बात है क्या? कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, ये सब आपकी सोच है। अगर आप सोचने लगेंगे कि इतना इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड जहां आपको डिजाइन सेंटर मिलेगा, आप खुद ब्रोशर बना सकते हैं विदाउट एनीबडीज हेल्प। ओके, खुद ब्रोशर बना सकते हैं, कुछ वर्चुअल लिंक बना सकते हैं, then you can make flyers, visiting cards, जो videos, सब कुछ आप कर सकते हैं. That is the kind of tool. Plus networking, sitting in some Timbuktu place, कानपुर से आप बैंगलोर में काम कर सकते हैं, right? ये सब chances आपको कहाँ मिलेगा? 17,700 रुपये में. अगर मेरे बस की बात है तो अगर किसी ने ऐसा मुझे ऑफर दिया इसीलिए तो मैंने लिया ना रीमैक्स का मैं कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट किया मालूम? 20 लाख. 20 lakhs is my investment for setting up an office and recruiting people like you. तो ऑल ओवर इंडिया मुझे करने का, ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड करने के लिए मुझे 20 लाख रीमाक्स को देना पड़ा और उसके बाद मैं ये फ्रेंचाइजी लिया. ठीक है, फिर भी मैंने लिया. क्यों? बिकॉज आई नो if I put 20 lakhs, I can take 20 crores from there. Okay, if you put 17 lakhs, you can get 17 lakhs from there. 17,000 if you put, 17 lakhs you can take within a span of 1 year time. It is possible. So don't worry about that money. Okay, it is peanuts. It is nothing. इतना value मिलेगा आपको कि कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा ऐसा. Okay, you have seen people telling no. So come boldly and join. Thank you so much. I think I have given you clarity. Bye-bye.